Alright guys, we are at the Baymont Inn in Clarksville again, and this time we're looking at room 224, and we're going to give you a review of the room. This one is a suite, and it is pretty large. It is an accessible suite with a spare bedroom. There's Larissa. And it does have an adjoining room option if you want to rent the room next to it, which I believe would be 223. So let's look around here real quick. TV in the living room. It's got a pull-out sofa, although we have run into a problem already. We just got into the room and there are no sheets or pillows for the pull-out sofa, so we're going to have to go get those. But it's got several closets with quite a bit of space in them. And let's look at the kitchen first. It has got a really big kitchen area with a kitchen table, regular size fridge. I guess it'd be an apartment size fridge, but pretty big. It has a dishwasher, stove top. It does not have an oven, but it's a pretty new looking dishwasher. And I believe they have, they've got pots and pans, all the dishes and utensils and whatnot that you're gonna need. And looks like maybe some dish soap down there, utensils down there. So fridge, has ice maker, looks like it's turned off. Don't know if it works or not, I'm not gonna try it. But very good sized fridge. And take a look at the bathroom. So once again, this is in Clarksville, Tennessee at the Baymont. It is a motel, but it looks like it was renovated in the last couple years. Second time I've stayed here and it's been pretty decent. I'm really hoping that's iodine in the tub. I don't know if you can see that, but there's brown spots in the tub. I think it's iodine, not 100% sure. Let's see. It's got a pretty big bathroom with an ironing board and everything in here, so pretty impressive. But this is the I guess you call it a bedroom suite. It is when I booked it, it said it was the accessible one, but as you can see, I don't call this accessible. That looks like a regular tub to me. Maybe they put me into a different room because they realized I didn't need accessible. I'm not really sure. Or maybe that means it has an adjoining room. I'm not sure on the terminology, but there's a parking lot. This one is on the back side of the hotel. So they do have USBs near the beds, which is really handy. The clock is not set correctly. It's like 2 hours off, but we can fix that, I guess. This is a king bed in here. There is a safe in the room. Plenty of storage. 2 TVs. Plenty of outlets. Another desk in here, so if you want to work in the bedroom and be sectioned off, you can do that. Honestly, it's a pretty big, I think it said it was 550 square feet or something like that, so pretty good size, and the price was not bad. If you're looking to be about 45 minutes from Nashville, I would say this isn't a bad place to stop. So there you go, there's your review. Baymont in, I believe, by Wyndham in Clarksville off of Interstate 24.